Dear parents and student, welcome to Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Mobile number 7568077458. Class 2, Subject EVS, Chapter number 3, Lecture number 1. If you have any doubt in this lecture, then you just need to write in your notebook. Whenever your school class will be open, then you may clear to related teacher. इस lecture से related कोई भी doubt है अपनी notebook में लिखें. जब school open हो तब subject related teacher से discuss करें. Page number 16, chapter 3rd, THE the, FOOD food, EAT eat. The food I eat means जो खाना हम खाते हैं. So in this chapter we discuss about the food, different types of food and which is good for our health, which gives us energy, which gives us strength, which helps to grow. All kinds of food we discuss in this chapter. इस चैप्टर में हम फूड से रिलेटेड डिस्कस करेंगे. कौन से फूड बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्दी होते हैं, कौन से हमारे स्ट्रेंथ के लिए अच्छे होते हैं, किन से हमें पावर मिलती है, किन से हमें एनर्जी मिलती है. ओके. THEME थीम, MY my, NEEDS needs. My needs means मेरी ज़रूरत. FOOD food. Food. Yes. Food is your need. Yes or not? Yes. Food हमारी need है. Food हमारी लाइफ का बहुत बेसिक सा पार्ट है. Key concepts. Number 1, FOOD food, AND and, ITS its, IMPORTANCE importance. Food and its importance. What's the importance of food in our life? Food हमारे लिए ज़रूरी क्यों है, महत्वपूर्ण क्यों है. Second, SOURCES sources, OF of FOOD food. Sources of food means from where we get food. हमें food कहाँ से मिलता है, source क्या है. Number 3, HELTHY healthy, AND and, JUNCK junk, FOODS foods. Healthy and junk foods. So in this chapter we discuss about which food are healthy and which are junk food. So healthy foods are healthy for our body and junk food are unhealthy food. Number 4, DIFFERENT different, FOODS foods. Different foods. Different food means varieties of food. Connect. Name these food. Can you say? Number 1, WHICH which, OF of, THESE these, COME come, FROM from, ANIMALES animals. Which of these come from animals? Okay, here you can see the pictures. So which food we can have from animals? Obviously the second plate, the meat, the non-veg. Second, WHICH which, OF of, THESE these, COME come, FROM from, PLANTS plants. Which of these come from plants? Plants से हमें कौन से food मिलते हैं? In the first one, these, the fruits, berries, all we get from plants. Third, WHICH which, ARER, SWEET sweet, which are sweet, जो मीठे हैं. Like banana is sweet and orange is sour. Number 4, WHICH, which, ONE1, WOULD, wood, YOUU, LIKE, like, TO2, EAT, eat, MORE, more. Which one would you like to eat more? And which is your favorite food? What you like more? Like banana is my favorite food, orange is my favorite food, fruit. Okay? Next. EVERDY, every, BODY, everybody, MUST, must, EAT, eat, FWOD, food. Everybody must eat food. Really? Is this important for everybody? सबको food खाना ज़रूरी है? Yes or no? Yes, सबको food खाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. WEVNEED, need, FWOD, food. We need food. Now here by the example we understand why we need food. Food हमारे लिए क्यों ज़रूरी है. In the first picture, what he is doing? He is cutting the fabric. So maybe he is tailor. TO2, work. He is doing work. For doing work, we need food. AND, and, PLAY, playing. He is playing. For playing, we need food. Second, TO2, GROW, grow. Grow means badna, mentally and physically, on both terms. Okay. So here he is a kid, then he is grown up, then he is a adult. Okay. So अगर हमें हमारी बॉडी या फिर बेसिकली अगर हमारी हाइट बढ़ानी है हमें, तो हमें फूड बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. TO2, BEBHEAL THY, टू बी हेल्दी. हेल्दी मीन्स एकदम तंदुरुस्त, चुस्त रहने के लिए, एक्टिव रहने के लिए. Someday you come to school and you having stomach ache, headache. This shows that means you are weak. So if you want a healthy body, you have to eat all the foods. अगर आपको एक healthy body चाहिए, means आप चाहते हो कि आप कोई बीमार ना हो. For these you have to eat all the foods, whatever your family recommended you. TO2, KEEP, keep means रखना. THE, the, BODY, body, WARM, warm, to keep the body warm. Body को warm रखने के लिए. Okay. So now you understand why we need to eat food. Okay. Here ice cream is sweet or sour. Ice cream is sweet, and this is chapatis, vegetable and salad. Okay. Next page, page number 17. WHAT, what, ARUR, YOUU, GOING, going, TO2, EAT, eat, TODY, today. What are you going to eat today? Yes. What's your mother cook today? क्या बनाया आज आपके घर पे? TELE, tell, YOUR, your, TEACHER, teacher, tell your teacher. WEV, EAT, eat, DIFF, ERENT, different, KINDS, kinds, OF, of, FWOD, food. We eat different kinds of food. Different kinds of food means अलग अलग तरीके के. Obviously we eat different kind of food. Some we eat fruits like banana. We eat dairy product like milk. We eat chapati, vegetables. SOME, some, FWODS, foods, GIVE give, US us, ENERGY energy, TO2 some foods give us energy. Energy means ताकत देना. TO2 WORK work, SOME some, HELP help, OURR BODY body, GROW grow, WHILE while, SOME some, OTHERS others, PROTECT protect, OURR BODY body, FROM from, DISEASES disease. Some foods. Okay, now we discuss about the different kind of foods. Okay, some foods gives us energy. कुछ food हमें ताकत देते हैं. Some help to grow our body. Body को grow करने में help करते हैं. Some other protect our body from disease. कुछ food ऐसे होते हैं उनको खाने से हमें disease नहीं होती है. Like in winters. Okay, in winters, if you take glass of milk with turmeric, then you don't suffer from cold and cough. आपको cold and cough नहीं होगा अगर आप turmeric milk लेंगे winters में. Okay, so this is called protective food. DO EAT eat, DIFFERENT different, TYPES types, OF FOOD food. Do you eat different types of food? Means different type of foods means जो आपको एनर्जी भी दे, प्लस आपको ग्रो करने में भी हेल्प करे, प्लस आपकी बॉडी को डिजीज से प्रोटेक्ट भी करे. सो वी डिस्कस अबाउट ऑल दीज टाइप्स ऑफ these three types of food. Number 1, ENERGY energy, GIVING giving, FOOD foods. Number 1, what we discuss first point is energy giving foods. ऐसे food जो आपको ताकत देते हैं, शक्ति देते हैं. So these are in this picture you can see banana, potato, pulses, cereals, sugar cane and the dairy products. All these foods are called energy given food. So from these pictures maybe you little bit understand what is energy giving food. समझ आ रहा है कौन से होते हैं energy giving food? Okay. BREAD bread. Number 1 is bread. PATATOES potato. AND and CEREALS cereals. ARERENERGY energy. GIVING giving. FOODS foods. So first 3 basic energy giving foods are bread, potato and cereals. ठीक है, cereals क्या होती है? अनाज, wheat, barley, rice, these all are called cereals. THEY they, GIVE give, US us, ENERGY energy, TO2 work, AND PLAY play. They give us energy to work and play. What they give? Energy to do any work. WEVGET get, CEREALS cereals, FROM from, PLANTS plants. We get cereals from plants. Yes, you know that. From where we get wheat, rice, plants, crops, farmers, है ना. इन सब की हेल्प से हमें सीरियल्स मिलते हैं. WEVRICE rice, AND WHEAT wheat, ARER cereals, cereals. Rice and wheat are cereals. Rice और wheat क्या होते हैं? Cereal होते हैं. Okay, means अनाज. butter, butter, and oils, oils, ARERALSO also, ENERGY, energy, GIVING, giving, FOODS, foods. Butter and oils are also energy giving food. Butter and oils. Butter means घी और बटर जो मार्केट में जो आता है, दोनों क्या है? एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करते हैं. एंड ऑयल्स, एनी ऑयल्स, ग्राउंडनट ऑयल, सोयाबीन ऑयल, एनी ऑयल्स, ऑयल प्रोवाइडर्स energy. WEVGET, get, BUTTER, butter, FROM, from, MILK, milk. From where we get butter? From milk. WEVGET, get, OILS, oils, FROM, from, PLANTS, plants. We get oil from plants. ऑयल कहाँ से मिलता है? प्लांट से मिलता है. और बटर कहाँ से मिलता है? मिल्क से मिलता है. ओके, सो होपफुली नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज एनर्जी गिविंग फूड और ये हमें कहाँ से मिलता है. ओके, योर टुडेज होमवर्क, क्लास 2, सब्जेक्ट EVS, चैप्टर नंबर 3, लेक्चर नंबर 1, होमवर्क. वर्ड मीनिंग: IMPORTANCE, importance. Importance means आवश्यकता. ENERGY, energy means ताकत. PROTECT, protect. Protect means सुरक्षित करना, किसी भी चीज़ को सुरक्षित करना. DISEASE, disease means बीमारी. Send your daily homework before 9 o'clock every day in good handwriting on this WhatsApp number 7568077458. डेली 9 बजे से पहले आपको अपना होमवर्क रफ नोटबुक में गुड हैंडराइटिंग में करके स्कूल के व्हाट्सएप नंबर 7568077458 पर सेंड करना है. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.